Hello friends, myself Prashant Thakur. In last lecture, you have well acquainted with genetic terminologies, Mendel classic experiment on pea plant, then what is monohybrid cross, how Mendel perform monohybrid cross and get monohybrid ratios. Okay, now today we will study dihybrid cross experiment and dihybrid ratio. Okay, let's start. What is dihybrid cross? Friends, dihybrid cross is a cross between two pure means homozygous parents, in which the inheritance patterns of two pair of contrasting character is considered simultaneously is called dihybrid cross. Okay, in other words, it is a cross between two pure parents differing in a two pair of contrasting characters. ओके, म्हणजेच या ठिकाणी डायब्रिड क्रॉस हा अशा प्रकारचा क्रॉस आहे, यामधले जे पॅरेंट्स आहेत ते प्युअर आहे. ओके, म्हणजे दोन कॅरेक्टर्स सायमल्टेनियसली या ठिकाणी आपण स्टडी करणार आहोत. मग डायहायब्रिड म्हणजे काय? ओके, डायहायब्रिड क्रॉसमधून जो प्रोडक्ट मिळेल तो म्हणजे डायहायब्रिड. इट इज ए हेट्रोझायगस फॉर टू ट्रेट्स अँड प्रोड्युसिंग इन अ क्रॉस बिटवीन टू प्युअर पॅरेंट्स डिफरिंग इन टू पेअर ऑफ कॉन्ट्रास्टिंग कॅरेक्टर्स. ओके, मग मित्रांनो, डायहायब्रिड क्रॉस एक्सपेरिमेंट परफॉर्म केल्यानंतर आपल्याला डायहायब्रिड रेशो मिळतो. मग डायहायब्रिड रेशो म्हणजे काय? द फिनोटायपिक रेशो ऑफ डिफरंट टाइप्स ऑफ ऑफस्प्रिंग obtained in F1 generation of dihybrid cross is called dihybrid ratio. आणि हा डायहायब्रिड रेशो मित्रांनो हा असतो 9:3:3:1. हा कशा प्रकारे मिळाला ते आपण आता पुढे बघूया इन डिटेल. ओके, इन नेक्स्ट स्लाइड. ओके फ्रेंड, Mendel performed many dihybrid crosses with different combinations, and every time he got consistent pattern of results and the same ratio in F2. From this, he established the principle of independent assortment. Okay, he followed the same three step, which is a classic experimental design. नेहमीप्रमाणे त्या 3 स्टेप वापरून मेंडलने डायहायब्रिड क्रॉससुद्धा या ठिकाणी परफॉर्म केला आहे. आपल्याला माहीतच आहे त्या 3 स्टेप कुठल्या आहेत. सुरुवातीला पॅरेंट सिलेक्शन. फर्स्ट स्टेप इज मेंडल सिलेक्ट ए व्हरायटी ऑफ पी प्लांट हॅव्हिंग येलो अँड राऊंड सीड ॲज अ फिमेल पॅरेंट अँड अनदर व्हरायटी हॅव्हिंग ग्रीन अँड रिंकल सीड ॲज अ मेल पॅरेंट. ही ऑब्टेन प्युअर लाईन्स बाय सेल्फिंग. He confirmed that yellow round is producing yellow round and green wrinkle is producing green wrinkle for 3 generations. In next step, second step, Mendel performed artificial cross, that is dusted pollen grains from the flower of pure male parent on stigma of emasculated flower of female parent. In due course, fruit or pods were formed. He opened all the pods and collect seeds. All seeds of F1 generation were yellow and round as expected. Next step is third. In step third, Mendel sowed the seeds and raised the plants of F1 generation and allowed selfing. When pods were formed, he opened and collected seeds of F2 generation. He was expecting 75% yellow round and 25% green wrinkled seeds because of dominance and recessive phenomenon. But he was surprised to find that seeds were of four types. That is, in F2 generation, seed show four different phenotypes. Okay, which are they? We will see in detail. Out of four different types, two were parental combination and two were new combination, recombinations. Mendel performed ample dihybrid crosses and reciprocal crosses with different combinations. Every time he got same pattern of result, that is uniform expression, both dominant in F1 generation. In F2 generation, always he got both dominant in large number, one dominant and the other recessive in less number, the other dominant and the first one recessive also equally less in number, and both recessive were least in number. Thus, in all Mendelian dihybrid cross, the ratio in which four different phenotypes occurred was 9:3:1, which is called dihybrid ratio. Okay, friend, let us see in graphical representation of a dihybrid cross. See, in this representation, you will see a yellow colored seed having wall is round, okay, and another is green colored seed having wrinkled wall. Okay, Mendel performed dihybrid cross by using two characters simultaneously. Okay, in which Mendel started with pure lines. Both the parents are pure for that trait. Therefore, genotype of parent with yellow round seed is capital Y, capital R, and that of parent with green wrinkled seed is small y, small r. Both the parents are homozygous. Therefore, they would produce only one type of gametes. Gametes are only one type. Therefore, they would produce only one type of gamete, that is capital Y, capital R, and small y, small r. Then artificial crossing is to be done. After that, he produced F1 generation. Okay, F1 generation, F1 hybrid seed result from the cross will be heterozygous for both the trait and will with genotype capital Y, capital R, small r. Due to dominance, all the seeds of F1 generation will be yellow round. See here, seed is yellow colored and round wall due to dominance. Mendel allowed selfing of F1 hybrids. During gamete formation by the hybrids, the alleles in both the pair separate. Here, from these capital Y, capital R, small r, new combinations of produce. Four types of gametes are produced because of segregation. Okay, friends, what is segregation? In this, member of allelic pair in a hybrid remain together without mixing with each other and separate or segregate during gamete formation. Each gamete will receive only one allele from each pair. A gamete that receives capital Y for color may receive capital R or small r for shape. Okay, this would result in the formation of capital Y, capital R, capital Y, small r. Okay, similarly, a gamete that receives small y for color may receive capital R or small r for shape. This would result in formation of small y, capital R, see, small y, capital R, and small y, small r types of gametes. Thus, F1 hybrid would produce 4 different types of gametes in equal proportion. Each type will be of 25%. There would be 4 types of male gametes and 4 types of female gametes, and random fusion will take place during selfing. Okay, see here, male gamete of 4 type and female gametes of 4 type. 4 into 4, 16 combination fall into 9 categories. Okay, see here, Mendel performed selfing of hybrids. F1 hybrid, that is capital Y small y, capital R small r into capital Y small y, capital R small r. This selfing is to be done and the product is formed, that is F2 generation. These are the combination of male gametes and these are the combination of female gametes, and F2 generation will produce, they contain different combination. See in checkerboard, capital Y of male gamete combined with capital Y of female gamete, Y, and capital R combined with small capital R of female gamete. Okay, the resultant is capital Y, capital Y, capital R, capital R. In all, 16 combinations are produced here. Here, yellow round are of 9 in number. See, yellow round, this is yellow colored and round walled seed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 in number, yellow round. Yellow wrinkled are 3. See here, yellow and wrinkled. 1, 2 and 3. Then green round are in 3 number, 1, 2, 3, and green wrinkled, which is recessive, produced in single quantity, 1 here. Okay, now this is called dihybrid ratio. Phenotypic appearance, phenotypic ratio 9:3:3:1, and they contain genotypic ratio. Genotypic combinations are of 9 type, that is capital Y, capital Y, capital R, capital R. Okay, this is the combination. Then capital Y, capital R, small r of 2 types. Here is 1 and 2. Then capital Y, capital R are of 2 types. See, 1 and other is here. Then capital Y, capital R, small r of 4 types. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, all 4 types of combination. Then one is capital Y, small r. Okay, one here, one is capital Y, small r. Then capital Y, small r. Such type of combination is of 2 type. Okay, see, capital Y, okay, these two combination. Then single combination of small y, capital R. Okay, then small y, capital R, small r. These two, okay, seeds are here. And last one is recessive, small y, small r. Okay, now genotypic ratio is 1:2:2:2:1:2:1:2:1:2:1. Okay, see here, 9 genotypic types are these. Okay, and genotypic ratio 1:2:2:4:1:1:2:1:2:1. And phenotypic ratio or dihybrid ratio is 9:3:3:1. Okay, hope you are understand this dihybrid cross experiment. Thank you.